find chapter 25, page 254 of House of Flame and Shadow. Vesperus says it would have been a mercy to off me. Thea did not understand the word. I raised her from childhood not to. Back up. Does this mean Vesperus is Thea's mother? I guess it could just be a casual way of saying Thea was in Vesperus's care when she was a child, but I feel like the coincidences of their powers being described as certain things, like they match up too well to be a coincidence. I know Sarah J. Maas. Nothing in her books are coincidences, really. Sure, they basically talked this whole book about how the Starborn are different from the Asteri. Bryce is like, oh my god, I'm not that powerful, what makes me different, blah, 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 blah. And it honestly, it feels like gaslighting to me at this point, because we have been gaslit so many times before. The first one being gaslit into thinking that Maeve wasn't Valk, and we all know how that one turned out. And I think it would be the same concept here, because there's constant comparisons to the Asteri being stars, and now that we know a little bit more about how their powers work, I'm not necessarily completely convinced that they are stars, but hence the word Starborn, hello. So the Starborn are just descendants of the Asteri, which would explain so much. I don't know, just a thought.